Two of the most talked about project management tools go head-to-head, Zoho Projects or Taskworld. Which one actually stands out? On one side, we have Zoho Projects, feature-rich and built for serious collaboration. On the other, Taskworld, streamlined and focused on getting your team organized fast. We're testing both with real-life scenarios, things like task management, team communication, integration options, pricing, and overall usability. Let's ignore the marketing hype and see how they really work in practice. Every category will get a score, and by the end, you'll know exactly which tool takes the crown. The winner might not be the obvious choice. Let's get into it. Before we dive in, check this out. Here's a mind map of all the categories we're gonna use to compare these two. We're talking price, features, collaboration vibes, user interface, integrations, and, yeah, reporting. Pretty much everything you'd want to know, right? Let's kick things off with price. Everyone wants the best deal, am I right? Zoho Projects actually offers a free plan, and their paid tiers are pretty wallet-friendly. Sure, if you want extra features, there are add-ons and stuff that can cost more, but if you're watching your spending, Zoho is gonna make you happy. Now, Taskworld keeps it simple with pricing, and you can get a decent discount if you pay annually. They just, don't have a free plan at all. Plus, if your team really grows, it'll get pricier compared to Zoho. So you know what? Zoho Projects definitely takes the win in pricing. Moving on to features, and wow, Zoho's packing a punch. Like seriously, built-in time tracking, automation tools that are almost too smart, issue tracking, dependencies, the works. Admittedly, the interface can get a bit overwhelming, but if you want the kitchen sink, it's here. Taskworld has some cool stuff like built-in chat and task linking, but it's missing some things like native time tracking and robust resource management. As much as I want to hype up Taskworld's simplicity, Zoho just outfeatures it, so yeah, another point for Zoho Projects. Alright, let's talk about how well these tools play with your team, because collaboration makes or breaks any platform. Zoho gives you chat feeds and comments per task, which is solid, and you can integrate with Slack. But here's the catch, the chat isn't really built in, it's all integrations, so it never quite feels seamless. Now Taskworld, oh boy, it gets this right. You get direct messaging, built-in team chat per project, sharing files is a breeze, super easy. Not as many integration options, sure, but if your team is all about speedy communication, Taskworld nails collaboration, hands down. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the first mainstream project management software came out in 1969? That's like seriously old school, before the internet was even a thing. Wild, right? Next up, user interface, and honestly, this one surprised me. Zoho Projects has these ultra-detailed dashboards and, pretty much every menu option you could think of. Problem is, that means it's crowded. Stuff is everywhere and there's a learning curve. I mean, good luck teaching your whole team in one afternoon. Taskworld, the opposite. It's Kanban style from the start, onboarding is fast and you can just get started. You don't get as many detailed customizations, true, but I'd trade that for simplicity any day. Big UI win for Taskworld here. Okay, integrations. If you're deep into Zoho's ecosystem, Zoho Projects is your new best friend. It connects with all the Zoho apps, Google Workspace, Microsoft Teams, and Zapier, the whole 9 yards. Granted, if you're not already using Zoho stuff, some of those integrations won't mean much to you, but the options are legit. Taskworld, on the other hand, mostly does the basics, Google Drive, Dropbox, not much else. So yeah, if integrations matter, Zoho takes another win. And last but not least, reporting. Zoho Projects is pretty much the king here. You get custom, exportable reports, Gantt charts, timesheets, a little bit of setup, but the analytics are robust. Taskworld gives you some basic completion stats, but if you love graphs and numbers, you're gonna want more. Zoho Projects runs away with this one. So, looking at the overall radar chart, Zoho absolutely crushes it in price, features, integrations, and reporting. Taskworld holds its own on collaboration and UI, but you can see Zoho's got the edge in more categories. So bottom line, if you're leading a business and you want all the deep, advanced management tools, integrations, and analytics, Zoho Projects is gonna fit you like a glove. But if you care way more about super visual planning and real-time chat, plus just not dealing with complicated menus, Taskworld will make your team happier. But yeah, in this face-off, Zoho Projects is our top pick. Found this helpful? Hit subscribe for more smart comparisons. See you in the next one.